Hello guys, today we will review a new type of lens. Though we have reviewed lots of lenses and similar lenses also we have reviewed, but this is from the Sony. Yes, this is the prosumer macro lens from the Sony DSLR. I don't know the model name, and this is the ultimate lens we are going to review today. As you can see, the physical overview of this lens is combined with this big lens holder, because this lens is very big, so a simple clip cannot able to hold this big lens, so we need this holder. I will tell you about the holder more. So before that, let's see the lens. This lens is giving you a very nice DSLR type of look, and this is the DSLR lens front part, which is broken from the Sony lens, and it is created. On the top part you can see the Sony cover is there. So let's open this front part and we will see the glass. So to open this front part, just you have to remove this front cap. This will protect your front part of the lens. As you can see, this is the lens glass, and there are little bit scratches are there here and there, because you know it is prosumer lenses, so you will get some kind of old type of lenses. So it is not brand new, because these are made from old glasses, and very much rare to get this type of lenses, because this lens is also only available one piece in whole India. So it is the unique lens you are getting. So we are going to review this lens today, and there is no variable of magnification or focus distance. It is fixed magnification macro lens. On top part you are getting one macro lens, this convex glass, and inside this lens you will get one more glass here. So there are two glasses are there, so it is a double macro lens. I will suggest don't open this top part, because it is a bit difficult to fix it again. So this is the lens. This total part is the lens, this part is the holder. So let me show you which part is holder and which part is lens. So let me rotate this part. So if you rotate this part, then this thing will be loosened, and you can easily remove the lens from the holder. So you can see now, this is the lens holder and this is the lens. So these are the two things you are getting with this package, and you are also getting a EM6 extreme macro lens. Okay, so these are the content of the lens. You are getting a lens holder and a extreme macro lens. So this is the lens cap that will be connected with the holder. You will not forget it anywhere or it will be lost, so it will be with the lens holder, so you can easily cap it off whenever you don't require, you are not using the lens. So just to connect the lens with the holder, it is just simple, very simple. You just have to put it on top of this lens holder and check all the sides if it is perfectly on top of the holder, and then just rotate this screw, and now it is fixed. Okay, now this is the lens connecting part. Now we are coming to the holder part. This is the phone holder. As you can see, this holder is also a different kind of thing. It is the holder will not extend if you drag it, you just have to rotate it, so this part will come out. Okay, so if you have a very big wide phone, then you have to rotate it to the left so that it will come out. Okay, so after rotating to the left, when you have enough space to put on your phone, you just have to plug your phone in this holder. Okay, it is that simple. Okay, so after putting it, just tighten this so that your phone will be inside this holder, and it is perfectly screwed so that the phone will not fall down. Okay, so now your phone and the lens with the lens holder is fixed. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to check if this lens is on top of your main camera or not. Currently this is not on your main camera, so we have to little bit push on the top side. Also you can adjust this, you can rotate this, and you can adjust this wherever you want. So this lens is not only compatible with this Realme X2 Pro, it is compatible with any of the phone in this world, because this universal lens holder can fit any lenses wherever your camera is, either the main camera is here or here or here, anywhere. You can just adjust this thing, this holder, and you can screw it up. Okay, so now your lens is set. So after connecting the lens to the phone, let's open our camera app and see the output. So this is the output you are getting. As usual with any proximal lens, you will get one black border. To remove the black border, you have to do 2x zoom. Keep one subject and try to capture one photo. Okay, so I have kept this thing, you can see that thing there, and I am going to focus it from here. So let me go to the manual mode here. Okay, so I am currently in manual mode and I have set the focus to highest. Okay, so we are testing the focus distance, and I will grab this scale and I will measure it. The focus distance is around, as you can see, from this part to this part, it is 10 centimeter. If you can check here, it is 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is the highest focus distance of this lens. Now I am changing the focus distance to lowest. So let me change the focus distance to 0 with this, and we will go little bit closer to the subject. So this is the closest we can get, and this distance is around, it is 7 centimeter. Oh, that's nice. So you can go up to 7 centimeter closest, and highest focus distance is 10 centimeter. So now as the testing is going on, let's see the focus depth testing. So let me keep this thing and try to focus. As you can see, it is focusing from this part to this part clearly. Let me take one photo and show you. Okay, so as you can see, it is focusing from left to right with full focus depth. So this lens is also having a very nice focus depth. We will test more outside. So let's now go outside and test the lens. This is the output from this lens. To remove the black border, you just have to do 2x zoom, and you can see the background is super flat, and the focus distance is around 10 centimeter. That's lovely. And you can see the focus depth. This whole fruit is in focus almost. And let me fix the focus to highest. Okay, so you can see this whole fruit is in focus, and this fruit size is around 3 centimeter big in length. The background is around 5 meters away. So let me take one background which is closer. Currently the background is around 20 centimeter away, and this whole leaf is in focus. This lens has super duper focus depth. So if you want to capture a big object, macro of this big object will be purely in focus, and you can take very nice shot with this. So if you want to capture butterfly or dragonfly, the full body will be in focus. let's check if it can give some bokeh effect or not. You can see some bokeh effect. The bokeh are very big. As you can see, the bokeh are not small, they are very big. So you will get some bokeh effect, but expect the bokeh will be very big. With this lens, to get flat background, keep the background minimum half a meter away, okay, or if you can keep the background around 1 meter, then also you can get very beautiful flat background like this. You can see these flowers are fully in focus. You can see the details, this flower details you can capture. As I am staying near the seashore, so it is very difficult to take macro shots because all the leaves, bugs, everything is in motion, so nothing is static. It is very difficult to take macro shots here. Still, I have attached some macro shots after this video. Do check that out, and you can do better job than me. From the video you must have known that this lens works very nicely, and this is a unique lens you will not get anywhere in this whole India, that I can guarantee. And if you want this lens, then just contact Apexel India. I will give the contact email ID at the bottom of this video description so that you can directly contact and get this lens if available. And I don't think it will be available long because this is only one piece. And if you want to ask anything, just comment below and I will reply you here. And let me know your thoughts below in the comments, and we will do some nice unique type of lens review and unboxing and testing in the future also. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, hit it hit the like button, and I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.